I've been reading the Bible all day. Don't worry, I haven't converted. I'm writing my paper. My paper is called Morality Under Duress, Divine Coercion in Dostoevsky, Job, and Paul. And of course, the whole paper handles the question, does moral reform happen freely or is it coerced under the threat of destruction? And it's funny writing this paper, given certain things that have happened lately, because it's funny when systems or groups or structures try to force somebody how to act or force somebody how to behave by putting pressure on them. And maybe it's because I wasn't raised Christian. And it's interesting reading these works as a non-Christian, because in some of the study groups with fellow students, a lot of them are Christian, and it's very apparent how we view the texts differently. It's from birth. I was raised with no divine pressure on me how to act, and my entire system of ethics and integrity and morals were built on common sense and kindness and honesty. And I think that's why, as much as I tried to find answers in Christianity my whole life, I was never able to find them because I already had a very solid foundation of self. And I find that that transfers into all areas of my life. When something or someone or some group tries to apply pressure to me to shake that foundation, it doesn't work. And that's why I'm always talking on here about grounding yourself and knowing yourself and understanding your true self. Because once you understand that, no divine intervention, no outside source can tell you different. They cannot shake the core of who you are if you know who you are. You take this highlighter. If I tried to tell you that this was a fork, you would be incredibly insistent that it is a highlighter. That is the type of stability that I am talking about. And it's that kind of foundation and that kind of certainty that not only makes a person unshakable, but prevents them from feeling the need to go and rip up other people's foundations. Also, don't forget that your perception and what you allow into your realm of perception is your reality. So if I don't like Superman, for example, I don't watch Superman movies. I don't care what Superman is doing. I don't care what happened in the Superman movie. I didn't watch it. Because in this life, not only can we control who we are, and what we do, we can control what we allow into our personal space and into our awareness. We can't control what comes into our awareness. We can control how we react to it. That is the most important thing in life, right? It's not what happens to you. It is how you handle it, how you perceive it, and how you react to it. So anyways, I'm almost done this paper. I need to go and finish answering the question, does moral reform emerge freely or under the threat of destruction?